Do you want to turn your article to a voiceover or a voice recording so you'll be able to put that voice to in any other format, to in your video, or you want to do a podcast? You find the right video. So you not only that, so before that one, what do? You want to get the text and you want to turn it into an MP3 file so you can able to download it like this.
Are you good? How good are you? Are you excellent? How much? The point is here.
Now you want to get this MP3 audio to put it in a video, and you want to upload in YouTube, or you want to put in a learning management system, or you want to put it on in a podcast, and you want to do it all for free, right? Congratulations, you find the right video, because today I'm going to show you in step by step so you can convert any kind of article to a downloadable MP3 file for absolutely for free. You want that, right? So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these studio leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them?
So very first thing I want you to do is I want you to use a particular tool called Grammarly. It's a very simple tool. It's not a very ambitious to do. It's free. What I want you to do is use this tool so you can write down your article with the really good tones and with less mistakes. It can actually show you different kind of aspects of the grammatical mistake, and show you, even can give you some tone tips and so on. So that's the very first step, is you write down your article. If you wrote down something in Google Drive like this kind of thing, you can just select all and you can come to the Grammarly and you can create a new article, post it on, and fix the grammars, because you don't want your voiceover have a lot of grammaticals or mistakes, and you don't want your audience to get bothered by this thing. You want it to give it a quality voice. So now it's time to get into the tool. So what tools we have? To get the tool, go to the Google and just simply type free TTS and enter. And as soon it will appear free TTS. And that's super simple. You just click the first one and here we go. And here you have all the different type of options. So now all you need to do is just come in, copy all of your text, come by here and paste here. And now you have so many voice options. You can choose different kind of male, female, different kind of accent. Joe male. Personally, I really like Jonah and Matthew, and also Justin. These are really sounds good to me. And all you need to do is just press the convert. All you need to press the convert MP3, and then all you need to do is and you just wait for a few seconds, and it will be done. And then all you need to do, download an MP3 file, and then it will be downloaded to your computer, and you have the MP3 file. And now all you need to do is you can put that video to anywhere you want. Just upload that MP3 file to your editor, or you can do it in a podcast, in a Spotify, or any other place you want to do, and you can put it as your PowerPoint background sound as well too. If you use a video editor, you can put it on as this MP3 file against that the visual photos as well too. So that's it. If you have any question, go ahead and comment below. If you have any other particular question about this one, or if you have any particular tips, go ahead and comment below. I love to give you advice. In our channel, we give 100% response. So if you put a comment below, definitely you're gonna get a response. So go, keep creating, enjoying your sharing, and we'll see you in the next video. And hey, one more thing. There's two couple of amazing videos waiting here right now. Don't forget to click them right now here.